I am preparing for my IELTS exam uh, day by day, and I enjoy to see this man to learn how to speak, how to write perfectly, and how do you identify your uh, weaknesses, and how to you get a good band in IELTS, and how to improve your journey step by step. I think this one is a very good suggestion for all whoever want to learn English perfectly, and whoever want to uh, want to make exam in IELTS. I think is the best in social media, and I think he's a really good teacher in his whole life. And this, and also in popular and famous in the social media, and it's gonna be perfect. I think this person is really good. Thank you.